So why are we doing this?
Because it's so muddy.
Because it's muddy.
Very, very muddy. Sinking in the mud.
And what is this we're using?
Shelving.
Old bedding?
It's bedding, yeah.
Orbeos.
Not old bedding, just bedding we decided not to use in the nesting box.
Yes. Because it was so annoying to clean.
It's so good and muddy.
It is very muddy.
And I think this will all soak up and it might not be brilliant, but it's got to be better than mud.
Look at the dirty chickens.
Isn't it really? It's got to be
Doing
better
a
than
lovely
mud.
job there.
Anything's better than mud. Whenever they sang about... Oh no, it wasn't. Was it mud? Was it song about mud? Mud laws. No, that's Food Various Food. Nothing quite like it for cooling the blood. It was about mud. This has got to be better, isn't it?
Good job there.
You think?
Yeah.
Be better than mud.
Save
isn't
some for the entrance.
it? Sorry?
Save some for the entrance.